Hello, welcome to my channel. This is EthioBTU. Today I want to show you a simple kinds of furnitures that can be made in your home. Different kinds of furnitures that can made from any kinds of wood that have found in your homes, but in a simple way and different kinds of furnitures, home goods, like what you see, differences, but it is good and simple, shiny, and also by made yourselves by showing this video in your home around the different purpose. That's what I look, and you look here is simple kinds of furniture and by simple materials. I like those materials, but the wood is available in your home. You can see here there is not much use of wood and special kinds of designs like TV stands, like what you see. First you have to be designed, and finally you can make the materials. You can see subscribe, please. Look, this TV stands with wood and metal additionally, and you can easily prepare it, but the furniture is so quite different and quite used and show what you look such and such kinds of furnitures, wood and metal, look hide from children's, fix with your wall cornerly, curved TV. Look at the materials. There is no such kinds of but this is the buffet, the table and the TV stand. I like those all of which is easy, and also you can show it's not heavy for your home, can prepare easily. Thank you for watching. Please share. I will continue and prepare other videos. Thank you and thank you again and again. Look at the TV stands, what you look, the TV stand, the good, the material and the ornament materials can be displayed in your TV stands. Look also the drawers, shoe drawer, TV stands, simple, the oldest TV stand and the TVs, the drawer, kinds of different, shoe drawers. Look at this shoe drawers. I like those like a box, but this drawer type. Look, one drawer, but 3 steps. Look at 3 steps in different pieces. The drawers fix in the corner area, also the drawers in the dining room also. Look at the drawers, a simple drawer. The materials can be collected from your local areas. This is also the old but the new kinds of fruit ladder. You can make these kinds of ladder for uses planted your shop area and your home, your kitchen. You can prepare like this and order your fruits, onions, potatoes and so on. Look at simple, a simple kinds of materials, furnitures. But look, this is also bookstore. You can make like this bookstore. Yes, I like those you know. It's simple, but subscribe please. This is your BTU. I will show you next time. Easy and can prepare in your home. Subscribe please. Like, share, comment, and subscribe please. Look at this. Also, this is a greenery area. You can put the drawers, the baskets. Look, like, comment. It's your BTube. Thank you for watching.